Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. And on this mix today we have Dwayne. Now he's playing a video with Tina Chin, and Tina is speaking about some stuff, so go ahead over and check out the video for yourself. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have yourselves a wonderful day.
And envious.
You need to go seek therapy, my guy. Go seek therapy. You need help.
Oh, Lord.
I don't care. You could have walk and talk like you have sense. You're still fucked up in the head. Your actions ain't normal. The things you go out of your way to do is not normal behavior, dude. My guy, it's not normal. Because if you can find the time, right now, the amount of emails today has been such a busy friggin' day for me. You know, because I got shit dealing with business, then my personal stuff, and my mom calling me, my dad calling me, you know, everybody, my sister calling me, everybody calling me. What time would I have? I'm just thinking to go dig up in a public record to find information about people for come do a whole 7-hour show upon it.
Lord.
What the fuck? That's weird. That's strange, weird behavior. Where do you find the time to do all of that? And the women who are assisting him, because Matlock is notorious for that. Matlock has been on the internet for years now. And ever since she was with some other crew, she's been digging up people's information like years ago. I didn't even know her at this time. Like, years now, she had dig up people information. I don't know. Years before I even knew who she was, what she was about. I didn't know. So she too has mental fucking problems.
Oh, Lord.
Because I can't understand how you got 6 fucking kids and you find all this time in the world to sit there and be a bench.
How much?
You're a bench to this bum ass dude. Talk about you're digging up people's information and you're sending it, you're searching all over Facebook for people's information to send it to your boss. You're a bum bitch.
Oh, Lord.
Just like he is.
Oh, Lord.
When you find time, I can just see your 6 kids right now. Them ear one comb. Your house probably look like it in a disarray. The sheet, them dirty. I can just see you. You look so unkept. Like, you just look like, I can just see you on your picking them right now. Stinking sheet, pissy bed. You know. Your kitchen probably full of cockroach and rats.
Lord Jesus.
You don't strike me as that type of man. Your whole house smell like leftover cigarette, like steel cigarette, weed smell. You know them when you walk in some place, you can't know so the people them smoke. I can't guarantee you so your apartment smell like. Because me here say you're living on the dirtiest side of Bronx. Somebody ask price.
No, sir.
Probably have shoes fling down all over the place. Your sheet them dirty and all.
Lord.
You know,
Let me tell you
kids them should want care and attention. You know.
Lord.
Being nice and confusion. So you yourself, you don't even get any time to think. You don't even get any time to be a woman because you're busy in a people business. And then you have your children you got to take care of. Plus you got your little part-time job that you got to work to make sure that you can file taxes at the end of the year to get that earned income credit.
Oh, Lord.
Because we know that's what you do. You get a little job, right? Remember Matlock, I used to be on the streets too. You get a little job that pays you $10,000, $15,000 a year. So that you can file taxes and you can collect earned income credit for them every fucking year. You're a bum bitch.
Lord, not a bum. Not a bum.
You're a bum.
Oh,
You're
Lord.
collecting my tax dollars to come on the internet to talk shit because I'm sure you're getting help with your rent with your 6 friggin' kids. You're getting help with your rent.
I want fitness on the air, good. A rabbit.
I got 6 kids. I ain't got no damn time. I only have time for my damn self. Much less to go be sitting there digging through people's information, finding shit about people, talking about people's kids. Bitch, go get a damn life, like a real life.
Oh,
fix
Lord.
Up yourself. From the clothes that you wear, I can't tell so you don't have it.
Oh, Lord. I think that was sad.
That man can't get a dry shit in your body. Look at him. He can't even afford clothes. He can't even afford food for himself. What the fuck is he going to give you?
What you want to say?
$100 to go buy a ounce.
Pause. Me not tell no lie. Some people on social media people, I've been analyzing some things lately, you see. Me just feel let something off my chest now. Maybe feel let something off my chest now. Me say, me a scroll past some people lately on social media, you know. And the people look sick. They look at them are dead. They look at them are dead. They look sick. They look at them are dead. And don't want to know to them I talk to somebody. I'm say to somebody, say, listen, you know, say, Lord Jesus Christ, me can't say it. Me can't say it. Me can't say it. Tell somebody say today. This somebody when me tell you something today, say, Jesus Christ, Lord. But people not joke. Some people here they look sick, they look at them are dead. They look at them are dead. Father God, you know me. Father God, you know me heart. And Father God, you know me say today, God. God, me I wait here. When it come, God, when it come, me I come on contact. I'm going to say. When I laugh. I'm serious. I'm more than one of them too. More than one of them. They look at them are dead. I'm more than one of them look at them are dead. When me see my one too, yeah. Father God, you see I know my heart, Lord. You see I know my heart, Lord. God, me I beg you do. Me I beg you do, Lord. God, you know in my heart here, God. God know in my heart. Let's keep it there, sir. Me not have no more to say. Me not have no more to say. This man don't talk to the door. Me not about to say it here. Me not about to say it. I'm going to continue in 5 more minutes, baby love.
Ounce of weed, and that good for you, an ounce of weed so you can smoke it before you come for life, come talk your shit about people. Like, really? That's what your ambitions give you?
Your will be done.
You don't want nothing more out of life, bitch? I'm tired of talking to you. And that other little stupid one who keeps calling my name on his live on the phone, bitch, you're going to sit around and watch me and my nasty products go further with your bitter ass.
Oh, Lord.
You know what I mean?
Oh, Lord.
Clown ass looking bum bitches. You're like the lowest of the low of the low of the low of the low. Low. It ain't got nothing to do with poverty. It's just low. Y'all are just low.
Oh, Lord.
I don't know, but as I said, she buy owns. I don't know, but as I said, Claudius. Like, she probably buy, you know them little bum bitches, they just want to smoke. You know, they sit with a bunch of niggas in a room and they just smoke.
People may not laugh.
It's not like she can't go further in life. She can, but she choose not to because she gave up on life. You got 6 kids, like, come on.
Sure.
Not like so, like somebody with any real priorities too, no?
Now with that talk here, girl.
Why you think one of the reasons why I didn't even listen or even pay much attention to what that Charmian Ranger bitch did?
Alright, we don't have a Tina Chin now. Tina Chin, Mr. Me I go everybody 10 minutes. Me get her 10 minutes now. I must get her 10 minutes by now. I must 10 minutes. Me get her 10 minutes. 10 minutes that now. I must 10 minutes that. I'm see how long the video. Cause I'm not sitting on for too long. I don't want to do no long live tonight. I'm not doing no long live. No long live. Come on, guys, like up the video. Come, listen. On do better than this, man. Don't play with me. I want to know. Don't friggin' yourself, man. Don't friggin' yourself. As a matter of fact, me I come off now. Cause only is one stand grade for blood clot, you know. Excuse my language. I'm coming off. Me not laugh. Me not laughing. Imagine when I come, me keep on telling you, when I come on from a thing, the first rule is to like and ras share. Like and blood clot share. Awa. I'm look like Tono. Pia